What if these weren't Neanderthals at all, but rather Homo heidelbergensis, a species that existed from about 700,000 to 300,000 years ago, and is thought to be the common ancestor of both Neanderthals in Europe and Homo sapiens in Africa? If Homo heidelbergensis possessed this kind of sophisticated fire-making technology 400,000 years ago in Britain, then both Neanderthals and Homo sapiens inherited this capability from a common ancestor, which means that the technological advancement we usually attribute to Homo sapiens wasn't unique to our species at all. It was part of an inheritance from an earlier species that got passed down through both evolutionary branches. This also has some pretty significant implications for how we understand human migration. The presence of Homo heidelbergensis in Britain 400,000 years ago, with this kind of advanced fire technology, would indicate that Northern Europe wasn't just barely accessible during interglacial periods. These populations weren't hanging out on the edge of survival. They were actually thriving, well enough to develop and maintain complex technologies. If Homo heidelbergensis could achieve all of this, then both of their descendant species, Neanderthals and Homo sapiens, inherited not just the physical traits, but an entire technological and cultural toolkit. You know that behavioral modernity that archaeologists claim emerged around 50,000 years ago with Homo sapiens? Well, it may have actually existed in earlier forms, hundreds of thousands of years earlier than that.